Hello, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela. I'm a fitness, nutrition and life coach specializing in obesity and diabetes management. So today's video is yet another experiment with the Keto Asian Flavours noodles, which are made by having a chemical reaction between sodium alginate and calcium lactate. As we said in many episodes before, as Anne also said, there's nothing to worry about. It's not like using some weird chemical. Sodium alginate is derived by seaweed, and calcium lactate is a product used in cheese making, so yeah, nothing to worry. So many people have been trying this recipe, and yeah, I'm just trying to get to the holy grail of noodles. I love noodles, as probably like everyone. So this recipe I tried to make udon, so I bought one other of those squishy bottles and I made it really I cut it off, so I made like slice big hole, and I followed the original recipe. So actually no, it's like it's not 100% original, because I only do 3 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of whole egg powder and 1 tablespoon of sodium alginate, and then you let it blend for 4 minutes. After that, you let it set for a little bit just to get those bubbles up. Remove them, prepare your calcium lactate bath with 3 cups of water and 7 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of the calcium, and then you start to swirl the noodles, which really bad at. I still haven't really got my hand on the technique, but yeah, I tried to make some type of udon, a very wonky one. I end up making pearl to me it looks like pearl necklace, like very wonky pearl necklaces. And yeah, then I let them sit into the calcium bath for I just let them in the fridge. I had other stuff to do, so it was like a few hours, and then all I did was just the softening process for like about 20 seconds, which is 3 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of bicarbonated soda and 2 tablespoons of lemon. I really love the softening process. You just feel like immediately the noodles kind of like soften before they're like really like rigid. And then, just to make it be Asian, I put a tablespoon of oyster sauce, some sliced garlic, some coconut aminos, a bit of vinegar, and I heated up the udons by put them into hot water for a few seconds, and yeah, that's about it. And here they are. So I've tasted a little bit. But I'm gonna test them on camera, of course. I think they look okay. They don't look like perfect udons. Anne makes perfect udons. I don't know how she does it. I guess lots of practice. But yeah, if you have any notes on my technique, any tips, please let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I've been enjoying making this recipe. So much fun. I really want you to try it. But I have here my bowls of noodles. Very excited. They're really slimy, so I'm trying to be like cool and use chopsticks, but it's really difficult. Do you know what? If you told me these are homemade udons, I would believe you, because I would be like, okay, they're a bit wonky because they're homemade, you didn't know how to make the shape properly. But they have that bite, that udoniness. Again, maybe I soften them up just a little bit. It's just a matter of like learning how to soften them up just the right amount, so they're not squishy, they're not like squeaky. But they're nice and soft, but yet have a little bit of a bite. So it's all finding the right, the right balance of softness versus like a nice tender, a nice bitey noodle. So yeah, I hope you guys give it a go. I really enjoyed these noodles. I can't wait to have a proper stir fry. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share with friends and family. Give me all of your tips, all of your comments, everything in the comments below, of course. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.